Section 11. Eating out.
An bhíolán,
The restaurant.
an cafe,
The coffee.
an té,
The tea.
an deach le móide,
The lemonade.
an bheár,
The beer.
an cupán,
The cup.
an buidéal,
The bottle.
an piúnta,
The pint.
cupán cafe,
A cup of coffee.
cupán té,
A cup of tea.
deach le móide,
A lemonade.
buidéal le móide,
A bottle of lemonade.
an bainne,
The milk.
an tuisce,
The water.
an fian,
The wine.
an glunne,
The glass.
an tair,
The ice.
glunne bainne,
A glass of milk.
glunne isce,
A glass of water.
buidéal fianna,
A bottle of wine.
an pláta,
The plate.
an scían,
The knife.
an fork,
The fork.
an spúnóg,
The spoon.
an board,
The table.
an chathír,
The chair.
an napkin,
The napkin.
bíochlár an lé,
The menu of the day.
an bíochlár.
The menu.
A bhéting brenn ar a míochlár,
Can I see the menu?
catá ar a míochlár in neamh,
What is the menu of the day?
spúnóg le thoil,
A spoon, please.
board de cheathrar,
A table for 4.
rís,
Rice.
pasta,
Pasta.
scalóga,
Chips.
an bhilseóg,
The dessert.
an deach,
The drink.
an bille.
The bill.
Ba bhfuilm roinnt scalóga,
I would like some chips.
an bille má sé de thuile.
The bill, please.
Bhfuil béir legat,
Do you speak
níl
English?
béir legam,
I don't speak English.
an digan tú,
Do you understand?
ní hiigim,
No, I don't understand.
sí síos.
Sit down.